somebody came up to me and asked me what I was filming. And then he looked at me and he said, OnlyFans? And I was like, no, I said, oh, my van. I look around for odd places to add additional storage. Works like a charm. Save space by putting things on the wall. And I like to use removable adhesive so that there's no damage to the vehicle. There's not a lot of space to bring tons and tons of clothes, but what we do carry is compressed in packing cubes. Every traveling companion gets their own color. Nobody wants to do chores on the road, so try to pack a lot of paper plates and bowls and reusable cups. Sometimes when it's rainy or muddy, you don't want to get your van floor dirty. And I don't wear shoes in the car anyways, but when you need to keep it dry, I throw some wee-wee pads on the floor. Acts like a disposable mat. Almost all tiny homes have a little overhead storage, and that's why I like to pack things in slim, flat, stackable containers.